Welcome to Bali, the island of gods. Today, we begin a three-part journey into its most soul-stirring landscapes. Our adventure starts here, in the cultural and spiritual heart of the island, Ubud, a place where nature and tradition breathe as one. The Tegalalang rice terraces are a masterpiece of agricultural engineering carved into the hillsides over centuries. This is the Subak system, a UNESCO-protected irrigation method that reflects the Balinese philosophy of Trihita Karana. In the early morning light, the valley feels enchanted as the mist slowly lifts to reveal a sea of vibrant green. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Walking these narrow paths, you feel a deep sense of peace. The only sound is the rustle of leaves and distant running water. You'll often see local farmers tending to their crops, maintaining the delicate balance that has sustained life here for generations. Beyond the terraces, the landscape shifts into dense tropical jungle, home to hidden temples and wild palms. The Kampuhan Ridge Walk offers sweeping views of the river valleys below, stretching out like a green tapestry. As the afternoon sun begins to dip, the colors of the jungle deepen, turning the world into a palette of gold and emerald. These small shelters provide a place for rest and reflection, surrounded by the rhythmic beauty of the harvest. Every turn on these trails reveals a new perspective on Bali's untamed beauty, far from the bustle of the modern world. It's a slow, deliberate pace of life here. Each plant is a testament to the patience and hard work of the Balinese people. On a clear day, you can even catch a glimpse of the mighty volcanoes that form the backbone of this majestic island. Simple structures like this bamboo bridge connect the various parts of the trail, blending perfectly with the environment. Everywhere you look, there are signs of gratitude and spirituality woven into the very fabric of daily life. As the day begins to wind down, the rice terraces take on a quiet, almost mystical quality. Deep in the valley, the air is cool and fragrant with the scent of wet earth and tropical blooms. The silhouettes of the palms stand tall, like guardians of this ancient landscape, as the first stars appear. As we approach the edge of the village, the sights and sounds of the community begin to filter through the trees. Our first walk is coming to an end, but the beauty of Bali is just beginning to unfold for us. In this stillness, you realize that Bali is more than a place. It's a feeling of profound connection to the earth. Join us in the next part of our series, where we'll explore the dramatic cliffs and ancient sea temples of the coast. Thank you for joining us on this walking tour through the heart of Ubud. We'll see you in part 2. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.
I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.